Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Myself, Uduthala Sai Kushalgoud. I am a student from IHM Hyderabad. Today I would like to introduce the recipes of Karamat brand. I am taking Mughalai Shahi Paneer with Karamat white gravy, and I am taking Haryali chicken kebab with barbecue mix of Karamat. Now I am going to share the recipe of Mughalai Shahi Paneer with Karamat white gravy, and the ingredients are Karamat white gravy, instant mix, oil, butter, whole spices, ginger garlic paste, fine chopped chilies, paneer, and fresh cream.
Done. Now we have to take a mixing bowl and add Karamat white gravy to it. Now we have to add 200 ml of water into it, and with the help of mixer, now we have to mix it smoothly with the help of whisker until the lumps are gone. Now we are going to add all whole spices in it. Now we are adding white gravy mix in it. Make sure the gravy should not spoil the color. Now we are going to add 600 ml of water in it and mix it well and leave it for until it gets thickened. We have to stir it for few minutes and leave it for 20 minutes until the gravy got thickened. Now we are going to add main ingredient paneer to it. Now I am going to add fresh cream in it. We are adding tablespoon of butter for glossiness. At last we have to garnish with finely chopped coriander. Now our Mughalai Shahi Paneer is ready. Now I am showing the second recipe of Karamat, which is Haryali chicken kebab, which is made with barbecue mix of Haryali and 200 grams of boneless chicken, 100 grams of hunkered and some oil and some salt. Start. First we have to take the mixing bowl and we need to add hunkered and we need to cream the hunkered. Now we have to add 100 grams of Haryali kebab mix to the hunkered. And we have to add some oil to it. We need to mix gently until it gets smooth texture. Now the mixture is ready and we are adding 200 grams of chicken in it. Massage the chicken gently until every piece coated gently. Now we are going to make Haryali chicken kebab. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. After oil is heated, now I am going to add marinated chicken to it. When we are cooking on tawa, it should not burn and cook evenly on all sides. Now the final recipe is ready. Thank you, Karamat, for giving this opportunity.